Hi, Peter on New York Fashion Times. I'm here with.
Luana Larkin.
So you're here all done with your hair and makeup.
Yeah. What do you think? It's good?
Oh, well, why do you think I came to talk to you? I think it's good.
Thank you.
I was like, well, maybe if it doesn't turn out so good, I won't talk to her, but I decided to talk to you.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Yeah. He's really mean today.
No.
No. So, this wrap, what is this wrap you're wearing? This out,
EXA.
this is EXA Swim.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
For this
Oh, yeah, there you go. EXA models, EXA Swim. Okay.
beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
So are you walking in the robe, or that you're taking off the robe before?
No, I take off.
Take off.
It's
Okay.
only for the makeup, hair,
Oh, gotcha.
feet.
And the swimsuit is EXA as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the swimsuit is a ball bikini.
Oh, okay.
Bikini, but
So
I walk it for EXA too.
you walking later for EXA
Yeah.
afterwards. Okay, got it. So in terms of your week, what is the most important show for you, or the most important designer for you?
No designer, but the show, Skywalking is Saturday Paraíso.
Okay, is that your first time Paraiso?
No, second.
Second time.
Second time.
What do you know? What designer you're walking?
Yeah, Bella Moro.
Okay. And you already probably have your look, right?
No, I want to see in a day.
Oh, okay.
But it's beautiful. She always have a beautiful bikinis.
Okay.
It's very nice.
Can we have a turn? Let's say two turns. One turn with the wrap,
Okay.
and then one turn without the wrap.
Okay.
Okay. And then, could I hold the wrap? Okay. They're like, wow, Peter gets to hold the wrap. Thank you. One more turn. And then Instagram one more time is.
Luana Larkin.
Okay. Can you do a couple poses?
Yeah.
Okay.